Yeah, sir. Setup might look a little different because I switched my room up a little bit. But yeah, you guys are asking for a what's on my iPhone video. I saw it in the comments. Everyone was asking about it. So yes, guys, this is my iPhone. It's the iPhone XS. And it's the Gold 164 gig. Super simple. The reason why I don't do a lot of what's on my iPhone videos is because I don't really change my apps up that much. It's still the same old apps, nothing too different. But yeah, without any further ado, guys, let's jump into the video. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put my screen up this side right here. So let me just scoot over to this side real quick. Alright, so yeah, the first page, I don't know, I was trying to like color coordinate my apps and everything. I think it looks pretty cool. So the first page is basically just all the apps that Apple give you. I tried to leave it just as is. The only unique apps right here is SeatGeek and Spotify. Everything else is almost just default Apple apps. We also have the Hue bulb app. So I use this to change my Philips Hue bulbs. So I have different scenes right here I could change around. As you can see, the lights change. I could change it to that. Spring Blossom, Tropical Twilight, stuff like that. I could just play around with the lights all day, which is really cool. Then we have the camera app. We know that. Clock, wallet, Apple TV remote. This measure app is really cool. I could use it to like measure surfaces or like measure my bed to see if I could put my bed at different orientation or stuff like that. Let me just show you real quick. So, all right, I know. Jeez. So I could hit the marker right there, pull it up to the end, and then we could see how much centimeters. So you could see it's 143 centimeters. So yeah, you get the gist of that one. Next up on the second page, guys, we have Google Chrome, Google Home, Google Photos, and Google Drive. So the Google Home app is almost like the Philips Hue app. I just basically control all my smart home accessories. So you see I could turn off the bulbs, turn them back on. We could change around the lighting, the brightness. As you can see, all these lights, green, wow, purple, is that purple? Yellow, and Snow White, which I really love, so keep it at Snow White. Google Photos, as I said before, we have Google Docs, the Apple Store, Google Calendar, Google Translate, which is a must for me because, yeah, I need it. The Apple TV, the Apple Watch app, track a network, keep up with Fortnite, item shop and stuff like that, track my stats on Fortnite. Velum, if you want cool wallpapers, I definitely recommend this app. So you can see all these nice wallpapers here, guys. This one looks sick. I might just use this one. You could even blur it if you want to. And this is how it looks. It would look on my home screen. I'm actually gonna use this one. If you want to save it, I think you just hold it down, 3D touch on it, or just press the middle button. Yeah. So yeah, it's saved to my photos. So if I go into my photos now, that looks sick. Use as wallpaper, set both. So yeah, there we go. We have a new wallpaper now. So that was Velum. We have the podcast app, Twitch, watch live streams, stuff like that. Tell us for my data. That's my carrier. We have Kahoot, Skip the Dishes. I use that a lot to order food. Photon Math is a must. Basically, you could take pictures of equations and it literally spits out the answer for you. Scotiabank, YouTube count to keep track of my subscriber count and everything like that, my views. Next page we have the Nike Run Club, Nike Training app, Zip FM, which is like a Jamaican radio station. Really cool, I love that. Remote mouse, I could use that to control my laptop from like anywhere in the world, which is kind of cool. In the photo and video folder, I have VSCO Facetune, which I use a lot. For example, this is how the picture looked before and after Facetune. You could see the brightness difference, really cool. Snapseed over. I use this for I use this for one of my recent thumbnails as well, which is pretty sick. Where is it? As you can see, this one. So if you haven't watched this video, I reviewed the iPhone XS smart battery case. We have Afterlight. I use that a lot too for editing photos. VSCO, one of the best ones as well. As you can see, this picture right here This is how it looked before, and that's after. So before, after, you can see the huge difference. So definitely recommend it. Next up, I have the gaming folder. I have no mobile games on my iPhone, but I have like stuff for my games, like my console. So I have the PlayStation Plus app, PlayStation Messages, PlayStation Communities, FIFA 19 companion app, Fortnite companion app, and the Call of Duty companion app. In the extras, just basics, things that are not interesting except Gboard. So Gboard is this keyboard I have right here. You could swipe to type if you want to. You could search for emojis, which is one of my most used one. So if you want like happy, you just type in happy, you see all the happy emojis. If you want a car, you type in car, you see all the cars. You could also search for gifts, stickers, anything online, trending gifts, copy it, and you could send them to your friends. So yeah, Gboard is the must. You have Gboard, then you have the Apple keyboard. Like, which one looks cooler? Definitely Gboard. So I'm sticking to Gboard. Next up, guys, we have the e-commerce folder. So basically, Amazon, Best Buy, eBay. Kijiji is like a Canadian eBay. Let Go is like Canadian eBay again. Buy and sell stuff online. On followers, I use this to track my Instagram followers to see who unfollowed me, who followed me. But of course, it has ads, so yeah, you have to watch out for that. Forza, track all my soccer highlights, live scores if I can't watch it. You know, TikTok. Everyone knows TikTok. Basically, it was Musical.ly, but then Musical.ly, they bought Musical.ly, so now it's TikTok. Whatever, we know that. StockX is a app that you buy and sell like shoes, all the hypebeast stuff here, Yeezys, Jordans, Adidas, stuff like that. Holy Bible is a must. Obviously, read Bible scriptures if you believe in God, you know, Christianity, stuff like that. IFTTT, I use this for my Hububs again. Education folder, I have the timetable, Evernote, DocuSign. I use this to sign online documents for agreements, stuff like that. Blackboard, cheat sheet, MyHumber, Fiverr is where you could go and like, if you have assignments, something like that, if you want something done, you want a poster or a flyer, you go on Fiverr, you find someone, you give them $50 and they'll make it for you. Really cool. In this folder, I have the travel folder or food. So I have the McDonald's app, Tasty, Transit, Uber, Lyft, TripAdvisor, Waze, one of my favorite map apps. It's really cool. It even shows you like if police is on the road. Well, I have Google Maps, of course. Let me just drag this over here. I don't know why it's over there. Whoa. Whoa. All right, that's good. Next up are the finance folders. So this is like TD My Spend, track my daily spending, see where my money is going. TD app, basically to see my bank accounts summary. Western Union, send and receive money. AdSense to check my revenue. PayPal, send and receive money, but more like an online one. All right, so down here we have Safari. I use this a lot to browse the web. Shopify for my stores. Then this is my social media folder. So I have the YouTube Studio app where it's for creators. Gmail, I need to catch up on my emails. And then we have the YouTube app. Yeah, YouTube. Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't. It's 6 o'clock, I'm trying to get this video up by 7. Let's see if your boy could do it. Let's see if your boy could clutch up. So yeah, this is the Instagram app. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet. I post some fire pics, you know. Fuego, check them out. IGTV, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. Use Twitter a lot if you want to follow me on Twitter as well. You could go ahead and follow me. It's_Chevy. Why am I not logged in? It's crazy. We have the Reddit app. I use Reddit a lot as well. Keep up with trends, any subreddit that you want, Fortnite, cameras, beauty, hair. Reddit is the place to be. Then we have the settings folder, really important. And yeah, that's what's on my iPhone XS, guys, 2019. I went through everything on the phone. I showed you guys everything. We have my notification widget page. So these are all the widgets that I have currently. It's -8 outside right now. Yeah. So yes, guys, that's it for what's on my iPhone 10. If you enjoyed, drop a like down below. And as always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.